What is up, you guys? It is Twist reporting from the Sneakerhead Lab here with another cool drop. Yes, guys, we got them. The Retro 4s in, ready? White Oreo. Guys, these are so fire. So, you guys already know what we do, but before we get started, guys, hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below on what you guys think so far. So, with that said, let's pop right into them. We're gonna need some milk with these. Fire. Alrighty folks, getting into the upper for these delicious sneakers. The upper is constructed in primarily of tumbled white leather. It's just nice, plain and simple. The lace buckles are in a tech gray, that's what they're coining it at Jordan, and there is a black splattered design or pattern overlaying the tech gray on the lace buckles here. The rest of the lace buckle here for the lateral side and for the rear is in white. Moving into the back of the heel, the pull tab is in white, and there is a tech gray Jumpman right in the middle. So moving into the tongue and the laces, we only get one pair of white laces with these sneakers. The tongue is constructed in leather, and there's a fire red Jumpman right in the middle. The lining of the sneaker is in a tech gray, and there's an Air Jordan sewed in patch there in the middle. Elements for the upper really work out. The tech gray on the lace buckles, the black paint splatters, and primarily being in white and being lined in tech gray just really give the shoe a minimal, nice hit of contrast. So, 10s all around. Alrighty folks, midsole and outsole. The midsole and outsole has a combination of white and tech gray. The Air unit has the inserts in tech gray as well, and also the tech gray on the midsole sports that awesome pattern of black splatter around it. It actually goes around the whole heel. And for the outsole, pretty simple, just white, toe bean and tech gray, and right in the middle you have a fire red Jumpman logo. Right amount of contrast, like I said, and that combination really works out. Alrighty guys, for the box stays true to the theme of the sneakers, and I love it. There is tech gray with the black paint splatter design around it. The lid is in white with a fire red Flight Jumpman logo there. It is lined in fire red as well, so that's an awesome touch. Paint splatter, wrapping paper design, and it's actually double layered as well. No accessories, you guys. Like I said, only one pair of white laces, no hang tag with these either. So I guess the box just kind of makes up for it because it is an amazing and a very beautiful constructed box that keeps to the theme of the sneakers. So in my book, A+. Alrighty guys, that is a wrap for today. Please hit that like and subscribe button and let me know what you guys really think about these white Oreos in the comments below. It really helps the channel out. We want to grow with you guys. So, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.